Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Sweet Sassy Six is probably one of the most exciting and memorable themes for celebrating a little one's special day, transforming any party space into a vibrant wonderland filled with glitter, glam, and a whole lot of personality, ensuring your 6-year-old feels like the absolute star of their own unforgettable birthday bash, creating picture-perfect moments and cherished memories for years to come. Number 5. KatchOn Giant 40-inch No. 6 Donut Balloon. Planning a sweet celebration? This impressive 40-inch No. 6 balloon is perfect for your little one's special day. It comes with a 32-foot ribbon, ensuring it will be a hit with all your guests. Its delicious sprinkle design will add so much fun to your donut-themed decorations. You can use this huge balloon to create a stunning backdrop for a Sweet Sassy Six birthday party. This candy-themed balloon is 40 inches and supports helium, making it float beautifully. Its vibrant colors, sprinklers, and patterns make it look incredibly appealing and scrumptious. It's perfect for decorating a dessert table, serving as a centerpiece, or creating a joyful atmosphere for a donut grow-up party. This amazing candy balloon with sprinkles will make your event truly fun and memorable. This colorful balloon will surely make a remarkable effect on your party setup. We care about your experience, and if you're not satisfied, we are here to help ensure your celebration is perfect. It's very easy to assemble, making your party planning stress-free. This balloon is perfect for creating picture-perfect, Instagrammable moments for your daughter's sweet 6th birthday. What we like? This giant 40-inch balloon with a vibrant donut design is a true showstopper. If you are looking for an eye-catching centerpiece that screams Sweet 6, this is your go-to. Its impressive size and unique look will make your party photos truly pop. What people say. Number 4. Juvale 144-piece Donut Party Kit. This 144-piece party kit offers a cohesive donut theme. It's perfect for creating a festive atmosphere at any donut-themed gathering. Enjoy the convenience of disposable items, providing a hassle-free experience. Simply discard them after use, allowing you to focus on the celebration. Crafted from high-quality paper, these items are both durable and visually appealing. Their vibrant designs add a playful touch to any event. This set includes plates, napkins, and cutlery for 24 guests. It's ideal for any sweet birthday or donut-themed party, ensuring a memorable celebration. Suitable for various celebrations, this set complements other themes. It's perfect for both children's and adult gatherings. What we like? This comprehensive 144-piece set provides everything you need for 24 guests. If you are hosting a larger gathering and want a perfectly coordinated theme without the hassle, this kit is ideal. Plus, its disposable nature ensures effortless cleanup, letting you enjoy the celebration. What people say. Number 3. JUYRLE Sweet Sassy and 6 birthday decorations. Celebrate her special day with an unforgettable party. This delightful set is perfect for creating a magical ice cream social, making her feel truly cherished. It includes everything you need for a perfect celebration. From banners and balloons to cake and cupcake toppers, this kit has it all. Crafted from durable, recyclable paper and safe latex, these decorations are built to last. They ensure a lively and happy atmosphere, bringing joy to all your guests. Setting up is a breeze with its adjustable banner and easy-to-inflate balloons. Simply hang them, arrange them, and watch your space transform into a festive wonderland. This set isn't just for birthdays, it's perfect for baby showers, gender reveals, or family reunions. Create stunning backdrops for photos and capture precious memories. What we like? This all-in-one decoration set combines a delightful donut and ice cream theme. If you like a cohesive and adorable look for your little one's 6th birthday, this kit has you covered from banner to cake topper. It creates a complete, magical atmosphere with minimal effort. What people say. Number 2. Blue Panda Pink Donut Party Tablecloths. Elevate your celebration with these delightful table covers, featuring vibrant pink sprinkle decor. They are the perfect fit for any donut-themed party or birthday celebration. Safeguard your tables from spills, stains, and scratches with these durable plastic covers. They help maintain a clean and festive environment for all your guests. Get creative and transform your space by using them as decorative backdrops. Their charming design adds a playful touch to walls or doors, complementing your party's aesthetic. Enjoy the convenience of quick cleanup with these disposable tablecloths. Simply wipe them down or discard after use, making hosting a breeze. Each one measures 54 by 108 inches, accommodating tables up to 8 feet long. This generous size is perfect for both indoor venues and outdoor picnics. What we like. These durable plastic tablecloths come in a convenient pack of 3. If you want to protect your tables from spills and stains while maintaining a festive look, these are perfect. Their generous size also makes them versatile for various party setups. What people say. Number 1. Blue Panda Donut Goodie Bags. Looking for the perfect way to present party favors? These delightful bags are designed to add a touch of sweetness to any celebration. Featuring a charming donut design in pink, they measure 6.5 by 7 by 2 inches, making them ideal for small gifts and treats. Each pack contains 24 goodie bags, ensuring you have enough for all your guests. You won't have to worry about running out. They are especially perfect for girls' birthday parties, adding an extra layer of excitement to the celebration. Your little one and her friends will love them. Planning a donut-themed party? These bags are an absolute must-have to complete your decor and send guests home with memorable favors. Beyond birthdays, they also make adorable favor bags for baby showers. Fill them with small tokens of appreciation for your guests. These versatile bags are not just for donuts, they can hold candies, small toys, or other party favors. They make gifting easy and stylish. What we like. These charming goodie bags are the perfect way to send guests home with a sweet memory. If you are looking for a delightful and practical party favor solution, these donut-themed bags are a must-have. They add a lovely finishing touch to your celebration. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.